Begin by removing the SIM tray. Place device in AOD face down and lock it into place. Close the AOD lid. Press vacuum and back glass. Once tape is separated from the assembly, lift the AOD lid. Remove all tape and tape residue from the back glass. Using the automatic torque driver, remove screws from the rear case. Using opening pick, disconnect the NFC flex connector. With the plastic tip tweezers, use the correct entry point to lift the bottom rear assembly to remove it and place it on the ESD mat. Disconnect the battery flex cable. Using the opening pick, disconnect the top FRC flex cable from the main PBA. Lift the top rear assembly, remove it, and place it on the ESD mat. Using an opening pick, disconnect the 8 remaining flex cables connected to the main PBA. With the disassembly stick, use the correct entry point to lift the main PBA away from the assembly and place it on ESD mat. To remove the rear-facing camera modules, flip over the main PBA and use the opening pick to disconnect 3 flex cables. Remove the camera modules and place lens up on the ESD mat. Using the automatic torque driver, remove 3 screws from the sub PBA. Using the opening pick, disconnect 2 flex cables from the sub-PBA and place the flex cables onto the ESD mat. Using the opening pick, disconnect the UB flex cable and place it on the ESD mat. Use the correct entry point and lift the sub-PBA away from the assembly and place it on the ESD mat. Using automatic torque drive, remove 2 screws from the left millimeter wave module. With the tweezers, use the correct entry point to lift the millimeter wave modules away from the assembly. For UB removal, align the device into the AOD face up and lock into place. Then close the AOD lid. Press vacuum and octa. Use flat spatula to gently break adhesive. Open AOD lid and remove UB. Using your hand, gently lift UB from the frame. Once the UB is lifted, remove all the double-sided tape and tape residue from the bracket. Then remove the CIPG from the bracket using SIM eject tool. To remove the battery, pull up the blue tab and pull the tab at 90 degrees. Pull up tape residue.